Ellipse by rectangle method. Draw ellipse by rectangle method. Take major axis is equal to 100 mm and minor axis is equal to 70 mm. So first draw rectangle with major axis 100 mm and minor axis 70 mm. So draw major axis 100 mm, minor axis 70 mm, again major axis 100 mm, minor axis 70 mm. Divide the rectangle from center point. So for minor axis, center point is at distance 35 mm. So take a point at 35 mm. And for major axis, center point is at 50 mm. So mark a point and divide rectangle from center. For drawing of ellipse, consider topmost left rectangle. So name the rectangle as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and center point O. For drawing of ellipse, consider topmost left rectangle. So first divide line EO in 4 equal parts. For dividing the line in 4 equal parts, the process is draw a line at any angle from point E and divide the line in 4 parts first. So mark distance at 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 and 4. So these are the 4 points. Join these points with O. So join first point with O, then draw the parallel lines with the first line. So this way EO is divided in 4 equal parts. So mark the point 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, divide ED in 4 equal parts. So first draw a line from point E at any angle. Mark 4 points on the line. So take a distance 1 centimeter, 2, 3 and 4. So again join these points with D. And draw parallel lines. So ED is divided into 4 equal parts. So name the points 1, 2, 3, 4. Now join points 1G, 2G, 3G and 4G. So join 1G, 2G, 3G and 4G. Similarly, join H1 and extend to G1. Join H1 up to G1, H1 up to G1. Similarly, H2 up to G2. H2 up to G2, H3 up to G3. So the point of intersection of H1 and G1 are the point on the ellipse. So mark these points and name it as A, B, C and D. So these are the point on the ellipse. Similarly, repeat the same process on the top right side of the rectangle and bottom side of the rectangle. So for taking the points on the right side of the rectangle, draw parallel lines to DC from point ABC. So draw parallel lines from point ABC. Take a distance in compass and mark point first, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Take a distance C3 dash in compass and mark point C dash. Similarly, take a distance B2 dash and mark B dash, A1 dash and mark A dash. So name the point C dash, B dash, A dash. So these are the points on the ellipse. Similarly, repeat the process on bottom side of rectangle. So join these points A, B, C, D, C dash, B dash, A dash, F, and draw the same ellipse on the bottom side of rectangle. So this is ellipse by rectangle method. Thank you.